Oh, for God. No, don't get out!
Why not, eh?
New ice warnings issued and runway closure causes travel delays as temperatures set to reach -16°C. The Met Office has put yellow weather warnings over snow and ice in place from this afternoon, covering much of the UK. The Met had a number of yellow warnings in place on Thursday across the country, but most were initially set to expire by 11 a.m., with only a snow and ice alert in Scotland remaining until midnight. But it has now updated its map to show yellow ice warnings for much of the Midlands, northwest England, eastern England, Wales, and Northern Ireland from 4 p.m. on Thursday until 10 a.m. on Friday, while the snow and ice warning for Scotland has been extended to 10 a.m. on Friday. A separate yellow warning for ice is enforced from 3 a.m. on Friday until 11 a.m., covering southwest England and parts of South Wales. It comes as large swaths of the country deal with disruption caused by the freezing weather, with temperatures expected to fall as low as -16°C on Thursday night, both in the northeast of England and Scotland, the Met Office has said. Manchester Airport has warned passengers of delays after temporarily closing its runways due to significant levels of snow. In a statement on Thursday morning, the airport said, "Our runways are temporarily closed due to significant levels of snow, as our teams work hard to clear them as quickly as possible." The airport announced its runways had reopened at 10 a.m., but warned as a result of the earlier closure, some departures and arrivals may still experience delays. The safety of our passengers remains our top priority. Thank you for your understanding and patience, it added. The authority in Cornwall was closed westbound between the A3047 junctions, Evers and Tolvaden on Thursday morning following a multiple vehicle collision, according to National Highways, after an amber warning for snow and ice was in place yesterday.
Oh, no, don't get out!
It said at 8:45 a.m. that emergency services were at the scene while traffic built on the roads. Devon and Cornwall Police and Devon County Council Highways had earlier warned of roads closing and motorists being stationary for long periods of time in a joint statement. Snowplows became stuck in queues of traffic caused by minor incidents, the statement added. All of the warnings in place across the country are yellow, meaning there's a danger of injury from slips and falls and some disruption to travel expected. A yellow warning for snow and ice is in place for the following regions from 4 p.m. on Thursday to 10 a.m. on Friday: East Midlands, Northwest England, Northern Ireland, Wales, West Midlands. Other yellow warnings, which covered much of the country on Thursday morning, have now expired. They included a warning for snow and ice affecting Cornwall, much of Wales, and parts of northwest England until 11 a.m., an ice warning for parts of southern England and southeast Wales until 10:30 a.m., and a fog warning for Northern Ireland until 9 a.m. Travel disruption to road and rail services are likely on Thursday in the warning areas, as well as the potential for accidents in icy places, the forecaster said. As icy conditions persist, motorists are being urged to stick to major roads that are most likely to have been gridded. Car insurer RAC said it has seen the highest levels of demand for rescues in a 3-day period since December 2022. Another yellow weather warning for ice has been put in place across Dorset. The Met Office has issued the warning, which is in place from 3 a.m. tomorrow morning through to 11 a.m. This follows on from a previous warning that was in place this morning, which preceded a blanket of snow covering much of Dorset yesterday. According to the Met Office, patchy rain and hill snow may lead to some ice for a time on Friday morning. The Met Office warns that there may be some icy patches on some untreated roads, pavements, and cycle paths, as well as injuries from slips and falls on icy surfaces. A spokesperson for the Met Office said outbreaks of rain, sleet, and patchy snow spreading northeastwards on Friday morning, falling onto frozen ground, may lead to some icy patches on untreated surfaces for a time. Any accumulating snow will be largely reserved for hills, where a patchy 1 to 2 cm may accumulate above 150 meters elevation and a small chance of 3 to 5 cm over Dartmoor. The extent of any precipitation across the north and east of the warning area, for example across Wales, is more uncertain, and it may remain largely dry here. Issuing advice, the spokesperson added, "Keep yourself and your family safe when it is icy. Plan to leave the house at least 5 minutes earlier than normal. Not needing to rush reduces your risk of accidents, slips, and falls."